Imagine a future where adventure meets clean energy and simplicity. The 2025 Electric Tricycle Camper RV captures that future perfectly. At first glance it looks like something straight out of a concept drawing, but this is a real, road-ready machine designed to change the way we travel and camp. It combines the nimble footprint of an electric trike with the practicality of a tiny camper, giving explorers the freedom to roam while leaving a lighter footprint on the planet. Its design reflects a careful balance between futuristic technology and everyday usability, something that will appeal both to weekend wanderers and those who dream of a minimalist off-grid lifestyle. The first thing you notice is the trike's unique silhouette. Three wheels provide stability without sacrificing the agility that makes two-wheeled travel so liberating. Up front, a sculpted fairing houses LED headlights shaped like narrow eyes, giving it a confident, almost friendly personality. The aerodynamic bodywork isn't just for looks, it reduces drag and improves range, which is vital for any electric vehicle. The camper module blends seamlessly with the chassis, forming a smooth transition between the rider's cockpit and the living space. Designers have used lightweight composite panels that are both strong and insulated, helping to keep the interior